What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute or two. Today I am going to be working on the Smart Stitch. So if you get loops that are kind of crazy and not right in your hat, like I'm getting loops, it's not working out right, and I'm going to show you how to fix that. So how we can tighten it up, because I know my tension's right, I know the bobbin tension's right, because I have this tool, and this will be linked down below. This thing has worked wonders. It's awesome. Everyone should have one because it dials in all the tension for you. No questions asked. It's so simple. For those of you who have been around for a while, I've changed things up a little bit. Does it look a little different in here? I've been busy. Dude, I got to get this big order out yet. My wife ordered a bunch of peaches. She's in there canning. She's got to get this out tonight. I have another deal. Oh yeah, the bolt is out of the box, and it is video coming on that. I've been doing a lot of testing with that and the P2. So, got a new AC unit. It's been humid. So we got all that going. Everything's going great. And I found when I was running this, all of a sudden I heard a thud noise, and the needle didn't break, but it was a weird noise, and then it started doing these loops, and I found out how to fix it because of my friend Sam. He helped me because he had this issue early on. So he walked me through it, and I watched the videos that Smart Stitch made, and I'm like, okay, we can make a little better one. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. Alright, first things first, this is on here like so. There's two screws underneath. Take them off and set it aside. Then we're going to take this plate off. I like to use a bit like that because I got big fingers and I can get in here a lot better with this, and it's a little faster because I can spin it with my fingers rather than using that angle screwdriver. That is what it looks like. Now you're going to want to come over here and push this in, and we're going to turn that to 202 degrees. You see that in there? It's hard to see. Let it come out. 202. And then what we're going to do is, you'll see, pull this down. You see where the needle goes? Now, I want to show you. So you see this? There's a little notch right here. You want it to sit in right there. And then you want this to be right up against the needle and just a hair away, because this will go back and forth. These screws here, you're going to loosen them up. And then we're going to make this go up so that turns, because there's three of them. Here's the other one, and there's the other one. I'm going to lower the needle back down, and see where I'm pushing is right here on this thing. We're going to go back down with the needle, and I'm going to show you. Mine, when I did this, was like this. That's how far off mine was, with the needle all the way down. So we're going to fix that and do it the right way. So what you're going to do is, we're going to turn this. See that metal right there? We're going to come down here. I'm doing this one-handed. It'll be a lot easier two-handed. We're going to turn this, because that turns separate. The bobbin will turn separate on that black case compared to this metal, the stainless one. So the grooves right here need to sit in there. So you're going to come this way, but they're not going to be tight because you can see the needle move. See that? So if I go, see how the needle's moving? You want to be, it's 0.5 millimeters away. So you want it set like that. And then we're going to tighten that screw. Alright, this is hard one-handed. Let me do this quick. Alright, once we have it that far, now we're going to take this. We're just going to lift up so you can get to the other screw. Go up a little more. See the other screw in there? Lift up some more. And then, if it's all set right, which it should, you come over here and you go to 100, and then you're going to hit turn the main shaft to 100 degrees. And there we go. She's set. So then, once you have that now, see how you have this line sitting down? You come over here and see this. And turn that. Watch. It'll grab it, and let's hook it back up in there. Good to go. So now, do a test run. I'm just going to put this plate on. I'm not going to put this on yet until I know it's right. 1, 2, 3. And just like that, it's done. Now that thing turned out wonderful. Look at that. The stitching's nice, tight, no loops. It's perfect. Honestly, it's perfect. And I am just ecstatic now because I have a job to do. And this was always one that was harder for me to stitch. So that's why I use this one as a sample. But I have a bigger job to do. So now that I have this dialed in, I am just pumped. And I'm going to whip through them really fast because that order comes tomorrow. So this thing will be running probably, what I have figured out, about 3 days worth of running. So yeah, there's a lot to do. Hope you guys are staying busy. Expect some more videos. I have a little slow time with that bigger job coming. I am going to be having it running in the background. And I got a couple of videos I'm going to be whipping out really quick. So I'm back at it. Glad you guys see me again. Bye.